Hello everyone. Let us provide the solution to this question. We are asked to resolve the compound algebraic fraction into partial fractions. So we are given 7x plus 4 all divided by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5. Now, looking at the compound fraction, we can observe that the denominator is a product of two linear factors. So this fraction can be resolved as a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 5. Now, if you don't know how come I obtained the expression at the right hand side, please watch my video on the rules of resolving partial fraction. That will help you to know how to resolve a partial fraction depending on the denominator given to you. So the first step here to obtain the values of a and b is to take the LCM at the right hand side. So therefore we have it that this is 7x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5 equal to, if we take LCM, this is x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5. So x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5 divided by x plus 1 will be left with x plus 5. And x plus 5 multiplied by a is a multiplied by x plus 5. Also, x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5 divided by x plus 5 will be left with x plus 1. And x plus 1 multiplied by b will be b multiplied by x plus 1. Now, looking at the equation, we can observe that the left-hand side and the right-hand side have the same denominators. So we can equate their numerators. First, the equation becomes 7x plus 4 equal to a multiplied by x plus 5 plus b multiplied by x plus 1. Now, let's call here equation A and let's call here equation B. Now, note that we can obtain the values of A and B using two methods. Now, the first method is known as the comparing coefficient method, and the second method is known as the cover-up method. Now, in this playlist, I have used these two methods to provide solution to compound fractions into partial fractions. But for this video, we're making use of the cover-up method. Now, if you wish to learn about the comparing coefficient method, you can check out my other videos in this playlist. So using the cover-up method. So the idea here is that we will plug in convenient values of x in order to eliminate any one of the variables. So looking at equation B, we can substitute s to be equal to -5. Now we have that 7 multiplied by -5 plus 4 is equal to a, open bracket, s is equal to -5. So we have -5 plus 5 plus b, open bracket, -5 plus 1. Then you close the bracket. Now, from the left-hand side, 7 times -5 is -35 plus 4 equal to a, open your bracket, -5 plus 5 is 0 plus b, open your bracket, -5 plus 1 is -4. So this will cancel out because a times 0 is 0. -35 plus 4 is -31 equal to, and b times -4 is -4b. Thus, b is equal to -31 divided by -4. So minus can cancel out minus. So b is equal to 31 divided by 4. Now we have obtained the value of b. Let's now consider how to obtain the value of a. Again, from equation b, we can substitute x to be equal to -1. So recall that equation b is giving us. So now, if we plug in the value of s equal to -1, we have that 7 multiplied by -1 plus 4 equal to a multiplied by -1 plus 5 plus b multiplied by -1 plus 1. So at the left-hand side, 7 times -1 is -7 plus 4 equal to, so we have a minus 1 plus 5 is 4 plus b, open your bracket, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So at this point, this will cancel out because b times 0 is 0. So minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 equal to 4a. So therefore, a is equal to minus 3 divided by 4. Thus, we have obtained the value of b will be equal to 31 divided by 4. Now, we can now substitute the value of a and b into equation a. So, from equation a, we have that 7x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5 will be equal to minus 3 divided by 4 times x plus 1 plus 31 divided by 4 times x plus 5. Thank you so much for watching. We have been able to resolve the compound fraction into partial fractions. So if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.